In this video, I'll show you how to use Dubsado for service-based businesses to save time, automate your workflow, and deliver a smooth client experience. Step 1. Set up your brand profile. Add your business details, logo, colors, and email settings so all client communications look professional and consistent. Step 2. Create workflows for services. Whether you're a coach, designer, or consultant, you can build workflows that handle sending proposals, contract, invoices, and follow-up emails automatically. Step 3. Use forms and proposals. Build templates for proposals, lead capture forms, and questionnaires to make onboarding quick and easy. Clients can sign and pay directly through Dubsado. Step 4. Automate client communication. Schedule reminder emails, payment notification, and progress updates so you don't have to manually follow up every time. Step 5. Track projects and finances. Dubsado keeps all your client projects, contracts, invoices, and payments in one dashboard, so you always know what's pending and what's completed. Step 6. Scale your business. By automating admin work, you'll have more time to focus on client results and growing your business. And that's how service-based businesses can use Dubsado to stay organized. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.